Rank high in search with these effective SEO tactics. When it comes to online marketing, you've probably heard about the importance of social media. Facebook, Twitter and Instagram are probably the most obvious examples. But you've also probably heard about Quora, SlideShare and Medium. These social media sites are great for distributing quality content and building brand awareness. Understanding search intent. Regardless of your business size or industry, understanding search intent is a critical component of effective SEO. It is vital to align your content with your target audience's needs to boost traffic. Even if you produce high quality content, if it doesn't align with your target audience's search intent, you will likely fail to rank. Understanding search intent is critical to your on-page SEO and content marketing strategy. You need to know your target audience's intent when it comes to their search and how they use keywords to determine their intent. Using specific tools can help you figure out what a user is actually looking for. Google focuses on providing the most relevant answers to the user's intent, and the highest ranking results fit that description. The best way to understand search intent is to use keywords that correspond to the user's intent. Some keywords have strong connections to different intents, while others don't have a strong association with them. This information can be used to filter your keyword research. Once you understand the user's intent, you can then create relevant content that fulfills that intent. Knowing what a user is looking for is the first step in SEO. Search intent is dynamic and it changes over time. It may be informational last week, but transactional the next. If your content caters to the informational intent, it will appear in the SERP. Moreover, a user may choose informational or commercial keywords to find information about your product. Use mobile-first design. These are some of the most important steps to take when you want your website to rank highly in search. Ideally, your mobile-first design should be responsive to all devices, but if you're not sure how to implement this, here are some important points you should be aware of. If you're using a mobile-first design, you'll have to make sure the site loads quickly and has minimal user interaction. Googlebot won't load your content if it needs to interact with the user. The performance of your website on mobile devices is closely correlated to its ranking on desktop. In addition to that, search engines are increasingly making mobile sites their first point of reference for their users. Having a mobile-friendly website will help you stay ahead of the competition. Using these effective SEO tactics will make your website stand out among your competitors and help you rank highly on Google. Google is moving to mobile-first indexing in batches. When it indexes your website, Google will only index mobile-friendly versions. While desktop versions will still be given some weight, the mobile version will take priority. If you're worried about mobile-first indexing, then you should consider implementing responsive design for your website. Optimize page loading speed. One of the most important factors in ranking high in search is page speed. A fast loading site will attract more organic traffic and keep visitors on your site longer. Google has stated that pages with a load time of under half a second are the most successful. Moreover, pages that take longer than that are penalized in terms of bounce rates and lower average session duration. This can have negative effects on conversions and engagement. Therefore, optimization of page speed is a must-have for a successful site. Besides improving rankings, optimization of page speed will increase your conversion rate. Google is making page speed a ranking factor and has released tools for webmasters and developers to monitor their pages. In fact, the new benchmarks released by Google confirm these results. For example, a page with a 5-second load time has a 90% bounce rate. Google's latest page speed study shows that most sites are below that recommended speed. Using page speed as a ranking factor is crucial for any website. Not all websites are created equal, so ensuring your page loading speed is a key factor for success. It can be difficult to rank in if your website is too slow. A slow page will drive your users away. The time it takes for your pages to load depends on several factors, including the server and the size of files and images. There are also several methods to determine page speed. The easiest way to determine page speed is by measuring the time it takes from first byte to fully loaded. File compression is important for good page load speed. Use gzip, which is designed for reducing the size of large files. If your images are too large, you should compress them using an image editor to preserve image quality. This way, you can save bandwidth and optimize page speed. Optimize your code to remove unnecessary characters, formatting, and other unused code. These two tools are recommended by Google. Write content that suits the EAT concept. Writing copy that is rich in authoritative content is crucial to ranking high in search. Google's quality rater guidelines indicate that it pays particular attention on your money or your life content, which indicates to webmasters that it will be more stringent with their content. However, the EAT concept is not itself a ranking factor. Gain great understanding of your audience. Gaining a great understanding of your audience is key to effective SEO. Keywords are important, but they only tell part of the story. Learning more about your audience's needs and habits by using Google Analytics to determine what they're looking for. Understanding your audience's problems and goals is essential to creating content that meets their needs and solves their problems.